Hello everyone, welcome back to Piano Roll. Let's click into the full exercise now, and we're going to see a horizontal version of some of the songs we saw earlier. The notes scroll by, they're all colored, the different sounds. Do you remember which one this was? Let's click down here in the bottom on the left side and change it to an actual piano sound instead of the computer sound. Click over to the next song. A lot more notes going on here. You can see that the tinier the notes are, the faster the hands have to go to play them. It's quite impressive to think how a piano player could play all these notes, but they can. They've been playing them for hundreds of years. Again, quick notes down here. Let's listen to those. Takes a lot of skill, but any one of us could do that with a lot of practice. Next song, Beethoven's Fifth, Big, Dark, Menacing. You can see the theme quite clear right here. 3 quick notes followed by longer notes. 3 quick notes followed by longer notes. You can see the piano player echoes that theme all across. Piano rolls are really good for seeing patterns in music. Big falling patterns, notes going down one after the other, spaces where we don't hear sound. This is a happy song, definitely in the major key. Quite relaxing, this one. Let's end the video by going to one of the coolest features. Let's back up to this, and we're going to go to the microphone button. Oh! I've recorded my voice, and now it's taking my voice and playing the piano roll with the sound I recorded myself. You can use your microphone to do the same. Let's try a word. Hello.
Hello, 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 hello.
I sound a little bit like a chipmunk, but this is quite entertaining. I hope you all have a lot of fun with that feature through all of the songs.
Hello, hello.
A lot of fun. Play around with it, experience these wonderful classical pieces as piano, as computer sound, as your voice in any of the many imaginative ways you can think of. Have fun, I'll see you in our next video.